What's up everyone, my name is Patrick and here today I have a 1989 Honda Prelude. I recently acquired this vehicle after looking and looking forever, years, to find just the right one, the right deal, always concerned with value. Here it is. So we're gonna go right into that. So I've just started taking out various plastics, as you can see, so we can really get down to the nitty-gritty and see what we're dealing with. So the previous owner told me that the fuel tank had several punctures in it, at least 2. And that's where I'm gonna start with this car. I need to remove the fuel tank and patch it or find a replacement. And I'm just gonna go through that process now. So we got the OEM, or what looks like to be replaced, fuel pump removed, and we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna try to get this tank out today. So I got the filler neck removed from the body, and in the process of taking off some of these super old corroded hoses, they broke, but that's all right. We're gonna clean all this up and we're gonna get it all the way out of here. Okay, so here we are. We removed the fuel tank, and the previous owner mentioned the fuel tank being his number one concern for the car, and mostly that it leaked. Here you can see that extra long fuel line. Not sure why they would do that, but yeah, we're gonna clean this tank up, take this coating off, and see if we can't figure out where the leak is. Since this car is so old, I guess some would say not that old, being an 89, I'm really trying to just save all the parts I can. I'd rather not have to try to go find one, especially an old Japanese car like this. Maybe, but sometimes it's just easier to repair things. So I'm gonna dig into this fuel tank here and we're gonna see what we find. So it's just a metal fuel tank. I've taken some 80 grit sandpaper and I'm just trying to get down to where the original owner had tried to patch it. And there's 2 patches here, unfortunately enough, but 2 patches here. And I found the first one. You can see that little pinhole right there. And the second one's up here, so we're just gonna do the same thing, take the material away that he put on there, and we'll see what happens. So I just just got a pick and a screwdriver here. Let's see what that does. Just by poking and prodding, I found the hole there. Still gonna work to remove the residue on the surface. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the sander here. We want to have a nice clean surface so that we can apply a patch to it, so that we don't have any issues with leaking down the road. Gonna clean up this one some more and then work on that one. Hopefully we'll call it a day. Almost finished. Gonna wrap it up right now.